views and opinions expressed in this program are those of the participants and do not necessarily reflect the views of BronxNet or the program underwriters.
Here today as a true Bronx community, I'm just extremely humbled personally. I also just hope to further project and keep telling the story of Honduran culture, Central American culture here in the Bronx, and just keep sharing these beautiful, colorful flavors with everyone here. And would love to sit down with each and every one of you and have a Central American beer and maybe have some stuff together. And for us to just keep coming back and collaborating with the community, an authentic community, for us to tell that story to the world. And I would like to take this opportunity also as well to introduce our Bronx Borough President.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Happy Three Kings Day.
Happy Kings Day.
Happy New Year to everyone. I hope that you and your family roll in the new year in a great way. I just want to say that while Omar introduced me now, we've been introduced many, many years ago. He reminded me when I ran for my first re-election, how I knocked on doors in one-row houses, asking for people to vote for me, and he makes me feel old. But he was one of the families whose doors I knocked on. And that is important. This is what excites me about this. And the reason why I want to thank Olga Luz, the reason why I want to thank Maurice Brown, my team, and the entire Bronx Overall Economic Development Corporation is because Savor the Bronx is about celebrating our flavor. Savor the Bronx is about us as a borough letting the world know that not only that we exist, but we are the boogie down Bronx, and we are just as good, if not better, than everybody else. What exemplifies is not only that we have flavor here, that we have talent, but when you look at our cuisine, if you are an Epicurean, our cuisine is second to none when it comes to taste and flavor. Our cuisine is second to none when it comes to diversity. Think about the concept of Seis Vecinos. Think about how this beautiful restaurant helps to bring up this area of the Bronx. And think about, even more importantly, how it's being done by a native Bronxite. That is important. And I'm happy that the media is here, because quite often when we look around the city, when we look at municipalities and we see beautiful restaurants, when we see diversity in what we're offering our taste buds, people often say, oh, there goes the neighborhood, oh, there goes gentrification, oh, there goes displacement. But think about who we have here. When you look at Brick and Hops, and also Bistros, Alfredo, and Willie Colon, our Bronx boys. You look at the Ramirez brothers, Bronx boys. You look at Jason and Epinology, Bronx boys. You look at so many of our participants. These are top of the line restaurants. They run the gamut across the board. Whether you want seafood, Italian food, whether you want Central and South American food, Caribbean food, West Indian food, and for the most part, the participants and the majority of the restaurants that we see popping up in our borough, guess what? Thanks to the BOEDC and the help that they give and the assistance, they're being done by people from the Boogie Down Bronx. And that, to me, is worthy of celebration. Not just Bronx House, and I'm glad that Fox 5 is here as well. We want everyone from outside of our borders to come and join. We want you to simply go to ilovethebronx.com. You'll see the listing of the different restaurants that are participating. As Odadu said, we have the highest participation of every year. This is about us saying, Once upon a time, they didn't want to include the Bronx as in terms of the New York City Restaurant Week. Well, you know what? We created our own. And we did so where we changed over the last couple of years when we do it. Because after the holiday season, restaurateurs and owners, they see a lull in the amount of people who come here. And by the way, like me and so many of us here, so many other Bronx, after the holiday season, we're kind of light on the pockets. So what better way to continue to have great quality family time, have continued great food to satisfy your palate, and do so in a way where you have to continue to break the pocket or the wallet. And so that's why we do this here. We welcome everyone, whether you're from the Bronx or not, support Bronx, born and raised restaurant business, men and women. We have things like CT's, which is sushi in the South Bronx, and near us here. We have the best beer. I just came from Florida, and I was brewery hopping. I hate to admit this publicly, but I'm admitting it. But no beer was better than the Bronx Brewery. Thank you. Omar, thank you to you and your family. Thank you for investing and staying here in the Boogie Down Bronx. So all of you, thank you for participating. Happy New Year. Feliz Día de los Enamorados and Manja Manja.
Bronx.com. There's a link to go to our digital publication called Go Bronx Magazine. And we have an issue that is a bonus issue for Savor the Bronx. And there's actually a recipe in there on how to make pupusas. So if you want to make pupusas at home, thanks to Omar, he gave me the recipe. It's in the magazine. So
Savor the Bronx.
Savor the Bronx.